Hope it's something cool. Let's go see it. Oh, it's an AeroSpeed. Damn it. Guess we'll grab it anyway, maybe. So yeah. AeroSpeed. Focus, stupid. Okay, here's the fan. It's a little dirty. Should work though. Let's just break it. Sorry about the camera work. It is a BX100. Camair, Chicago, Illinois. It's ETL certified, not UL, so it's probably made in China. It's dirty, let's throw it away. This is in mint condition, but needs a bit of cleaning. Brush roll overall looks pretty good if you overlook all the crap. 3-in-1 turbo. Check this out. More records. EcoSmart bulb. See, let's bring these in the house. Feels like that one's in there. See the condition of it. I don't know why they threw these out. The light kind of makes it look like crap, so yeah, that's not great. After 7, never heard of it. Miles J, never heard of it. That's pretty cool. That one's messed up though. I like that album. Been listening to that one a lot. Ronnie Laws. Roger. Lady J's. Oh. Levert. Bloodline. Anita Baker. The Gap Band. More Roger. It's the specially priced maxi single. See the shape of this one? Oh, it opens to the top. That one's decent. They play that one a lot. What is that one? That's the second track. I'm not even going to try to pronounce that. Gap Band. Huh. These are trashed. How about this one? Yeah, these are all trashed. Well, whatever. And an EcoSmart light bulb. There's 2 Sylvania light bulbs in there for my Move E light, which is my new TV light. And yeah, I'm just gonna unbox that. Excuse me. Oh, they're 15 watt. I thought they were 20. A15. Oh, they looked extremely small for some reason. Whoops. Anyway, yeah, it's the crap we found today. Ooh, China. Excuse my dirty fingernails. They're dirty because I do stuff during the day. These are small. Thought they were the wrong size. Oh yes, there we go. They have it has a nice color temperature to it. Oh yeah, perfect. Here it is. It's really nice. Wish I had a video camera back in the day. There's a nice little place like this on the right side corner of the yard in the backyard. Oh, they're hiding in the bush. Seen her panties or something? God. Hope I didn't just walk into what I think I did. Is that guy gonna follow me or what? This video is in 4K. If it wasn't maybe a video compression nightmare, hell, it still might be. Good old 570. There's a video I uploaded called Fun Down by the Creek. There's some people with a Ford Raptor and a lifted Nissan 240SX. That's pretty cool. Go check that out if you want. There's a strainer. Hey, it's flowing a lot better, probably because it rained a few times. Got the Toshiba TV wet at the neighbor's house. It's still out there.